So I'll be demonstrating how this template is going to look like. So over here you can see that this is just the main catalog index page, and it shows some of the featured books probably based on their popularity. And moving on, I will show you under the books section where the members are able to see what kind of books have in store. So here is a list of the catalog. I do not have the page images of the Chinese site yet, so this is going to be quite brief. So let's say that the member is interested in the children section. He can click over at the category here. And over here you can see it shows each of the books which belongs under the children section. So maybe he will look over here, all about the Holy Spirit. You click the view more button. Yeah, and it shows a more in-depth description. Okay, this is quite basic. And over at the left side there is a hit counter. This hit counter actually shows how popular it is, and it's good for the administrator who will be able to make their better decision based on the statistics that they have obtained. Okay, sorry about that camera. Okay, now let's say that maybe I'll just go back to the book section. Okay, let's say that the user is interested to find out more about the book, a particular book, but doesn't have the time to go through, maybe about parent life. So he can actually use the search engine here and just can type, maybe just type a word parent. After which, upon clicking go, okay, sorry, I'll just type one more time. There we go. Okay, they will display the books which have the word parent in them. This is being identified, and thus helping search feature to be able to help the user. Okay, next I would like to want to show you is the scanning phase, which will allow borrowing to be at a much more easier for the admin to do. So all you gotta do is the admin will need to have a QR reader. This QR reader would then be able to work like a barcode scanner and to be able to scan for a particular book instantly. So let's say this book by Successful Home Cell Groups by Dr. David. So there will be this QR code tagged onto the book. And all that the admin gotta do is he'll just put his phone over at this particular QR code, and on scanning he'll be brought to this page. So the applications will be able to identify the particular book and display the information, after which they will show the book status of whether the book is currently available or being loaned out based on the record. So after this, the admin is able to see which particular member wish to borrow the book. So over at my database, actually I only have about 5 members, and it will display the NRIC, where the admin will be able to tally this IC to the particular for verification purpose. So I'll just choose the third one, and this will be then further authenticated by an admin password, which only the admin will know. But this is just a draft, so I'll just key in any 4 numbers, and upon submission it will tell you that the checkout has been successful, and there will be modification from the database. Now I'll just try one more book. Okay, let's see, maybe I'll take this the 60 grade on this. Okay, this one, and I'll just need to go over the QR code, and it will display, yes, 60 Great Founders by Geoffrey Hanks. And yep, there we go. And they also say current book is available, and yeah, you can just choose, key in the admin password again, and go, and it's done, and checkout has been successful. So that is about it for the scanning part, which makes borrowing books at a much at ease. And also I would think that there will I was still working on the admin side, which it will be we will be able to check on records, borrowing records, and also that one maybe during the next meeting I will showcase to you. Right, thank you.